Hope everyone's doing well. Welcome back to the channel. Wagwan Tours. So we're still in Zante and we're at KALAMAKI Beach. So KALAMAKI is an area we stay in quite often. It's got one of our favourite bars, Melon Bar, and I was going to show you the actual beach area. Don't forget to comment below if you've been. So let's see Wagwan. You know the vibe. Just show you that side first. So it does go round, but we're going to head straight forward. Again, beautiful water, all your sports and everything. KALAMAKI is a really nice little area. Again, it's very family centred. Loads of bars and restaurants, but not as clubs as Black and Ass. Even though it has got a lot of nightlife in KALAMAKI. A little bit pebbly along this bit, but still really, really nice. So if you want to rent out an umbrella or a deck chair, it's €20. Just show you guys that so you can see. So if you do come down here, if you're planning to come here this summer, there we go, 2 sunbeds and an umbrella. Hasta Petros. So €10 each. Not bad. That's sort of like the going rate for around here. I think the most expensive one I saw was in Porto Roma. That was 25, 15 without like the padding, 25 with the padding. So that was like the most most expensive. So you got your normal little pedals to your bikes and everything. It's quite a long stretch of beach as well. And again, you don't have to buy a sun lounger. You can see like straight ahead, there's people on towels and everything. Bring your picnic blanket. I kind of prefer that anyway. But that's because I like a cheap holiday. I like to come back thinking I got to have great experience, but I haven't rinsed my bank account. Still really shallow. Absolutely roasting today. It's like 35, 36, so definitely need to be somewhere where you can access water and a drink. So there is like a few restaurants and bars just above. Like I said, KALAMAKI is a very busy area. There's lots of bars and restaurants, so plenty to choose from. And they've got quite a few pool bars as well, so if you're not really a beach person, you don't have to come to the ocean. You can go and sit by the pool, have a cocktail, even if your hotel doesn't have one. So this is really handy if you're staying in this area, but personally, my favourite beach is St Nicholas. Just like the vibe there. Really, really pretty, a little bit more secluded. A little bit smaller as well, so it's not as long as KALAMAKI. You haven't got as much sort of choice in terms of bars and restaurants on your doorstep, but it's a lot quieter and peaceful. And sometimes that's all I need. Oh, someone's done a bit of cool art there. Try not to wreck that. So Zante is very well known for their turtles. And we went to Zakynthos Beach today, which has the sanctuary. So it's all sort of sectioned off parts of it, where it's got all the sort of homing for the baby turtles ready to hatch and make their way. So if you are on the island, I definitely recommend going there. And they've got a free museum, which I think is really nice. So you can go and learn a little bit more about how that happens. Show you guys a little bit more of the ocean, because really is the selling point. Got some people snorkeling over there. We saw some like massive fish the other day with Zakynthos Zante. Really, really nice. You can see also on this one they have the turtle shelters as well. So like I said, Zante is very famous for their turtles. I think you can also come out during the time when they are ready to hatch and help. So if that's something you're interested in, might be something to look at. Okay, if I don't get my shoes wet. So this beach is a little bit more stony, but they're very fine. So I really wouldn't be too concerned. I know some people don't like stony beaches. So you can see it goes like all the way down. And then you can go into the water and you can see this little cove and you can keep going around as well. It's a little bit more emptier down there, so I'm not going to go all the way down. I just wanted to show you guys KALAMAKI Beach. All right, start walking back the way we came. So don't forget to like and subscribe, and also to put in the comments if you've been here before. Also comment, what is your favourite Greek island? Or have you been to mainland? Is it recommended to do a day out in Athens, see all the history? Have you been? Is it on your bucket list? And is Mykonos overrated? This is one that, I don't know, Mykonos and, what is the other one? Can't think of it right now. It'll come to me. But yeah, a couple of those islands are really quite expensive for what I believe you can get on all the other Greek islands. Obviously, I know some of them, you've got like the cave hotels and stuff. So yeah, I get that's a bit of an experience. But for the money and the amount you spend on like drink or food, is it still worth it? Is there a new Mykonos? What is happening 2025? I heard a little rumour it might be Bodrum. Comment below if you've seen our Marmara series. If you've been to Turkey, is Bodrum worth going before it turns into the next little exclusive club for the people who have a lot to spend, and for those of us who want to go away but maybe want to have a bit more of a cheaper experience or option? Are they going to destroy that for us? So yeah, let me know, what are your thoughts, people? And if you're liking the content, don't forget to like, it really does help. And if you want to make sure you don't miss any of the content, you can ring that little bell as well. Just basically notifies you for when we've got new videos, any lives, all the information, and you don't miss a thing. And if you're new to the channel, my name's Sabrina. This is Wagwan Tours. We go all over trying to show everyone what we enjoy on holiday. Mostly sort of budget-friendly options, great locations, mainly sunny destinations, a bit of nightlife, beaches, as we are today, excursions and everything in between. So if that's something you're into, check out the channel and subscribe. It costs nothing. And it really, really does mean the world to me and my partner Kirk, who is also part of the Wagwan Tours channel. We also have Guan Raw, that's my sister channel, but we're just growing this one at the moment. So there is some videos on there. If you do want to check those out, we'll hopefully be adding to that shortly to help that grow as well. So car parks up there. I'm going to head, there's like a little kiosk just ahead. So I'm going to head up there and get myself a drink, because it is, like I said, about 35, 36 today. So I hope you guys have enjoyed that. This is KALAMAKI Beach and this is Zante, Greece. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Check out the rest of the videos from the Greece series. We was also here last year, so we got some lovely like 360 footage as well. And then we've been all over, so there's so many other destinations if you're interested. I'll see you on the next one. Have a great time wherever you are.